Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor. Thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. So this is a little bit different than how I usually do things. I'm still at home and I'm about to leave for a trip to Menorca. I'm going to be going with my boyfriend's family and it's actually a surprise for his mom. So this trip has been in the works since October and I'm fairly certain that she has no idea, but I don't know for sure. So we're gonna get on the train from London and head to Bristol Airport and surprise her there. So hopefully I'm able to capture it on camera. And yeah, then we'll be exploring Menorca for the next week. So yeah, come along. What? Are they over here? Or did they go up? See him? We've officially arrived in Menorca. We're here. The surprise went really well, so now let's just get this week